Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a limited company in the UK. First, you need to select a unique company name that isn't already in use. Next, appoint at least one director and one shareholder. These can be the same person. You'll also need a registered office address in the UK, which will be the official address for all communications. This initial planning ensures a smooth registration process. Once the basics are covered, you'll need to define your company's standard industrial classification, or SIC code, which describes your business activities. Then, decide on your share capital and the types of shares you'll issue. Finally, prepare your memorandum and articles of association. These crucial documents outline the company's purpose and internal rules, forming the legal backbone of your new limited company. Now it's time to register with Companies House. You can submit your application online, which is usually faster, or by post. You'll need to provide all the details gathered so far, including information about your directors, shareholders, and the registered office. Don't forget to pay the registration fee, which is typically around £50 for online submissions. This step officially brings your company into existence. After successful registration, you must register your company for corporation tax with HMRC. This is a vital step for tax compliance. Remember to maintain accurate company records and file your annual accounts and confirmation statements on time. Staying organized helps avoid penalties. For an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.